Hello guys, we will do another simplification problem. 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 6 and 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 6. Instead of the parenthesis, we can multiply minus 6 into minus 6. Negative minus 6 multiply with negative minus 6. It will be positive 36. But it is totally wrong because we didn't follow the order of operations. PEMDAS rule or BODMAS rule. In this equation, we have to do first the parenthesis because parenthesis has the most priority. 2 minus 8 inside of the parenthesis minus 6. If we eliminate the parenthesis, we can multiply with 8. So negative 8 multiply with negative 6 is equal to positive 48. So 2 plus 48 is equal to 50. This is the answer.